Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to have your august presence on this virtual platform to celebrate the spirit of incredible resilience and undaunted optimism. It's our honor to welcome you all to the 31st Annual Day celebration of Vishwa Bharati Public School, Noida. On this momentous occasion, I'm reminded of Alfred Tennyson's inspiring lines. The old order changeth, yielding place to new, and God fulfills himself in many ways. Undoubtedly, everything around us is changing. Together, we are experiencing a pandemic with extraordinary challenges and monumental changes. The theme of today's event, Navanamesh, embracing new normal, is resonating with myriad of emotions, a humbling reminder of embracing a new hope, a new outlook to reevaluate, reset, and live our lives. We take pride in sharing that Team Vishwa Bharati has seamlessly embraced the change as we truly believe strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from an indomitable spirit. So without any further ado, sit back and enjoy as we unfold before you a morning full of energy and vibrance.
नमस्कार। आज के इस ऑनलाइन वार्षिक दिवस समारोह में आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन। नवोन्मेष, नया उत्थान, इन सब का तात्पर्य है एक ऐसा परिवर्तन जो बदलाव के साथ साथ नया और उपयोगी हो। भले ये परिवर्तन थोड़ा या बहुत थोड़ा ही क्यों ना हो, यानी ऐसा परिवर्तन जिसे आपने पहले नहीं किया हो। सरल शब्दों में कहें तो नए उपायों, रचनात्मक विचारों और नई कल्पनाओं को आत्मसात करना। आज के कार्यक्रम का आरंभ दीप प्रज्वलन और गणेश स्तुति से किया जाएगा। दीप प्रकाश का द्योतक है और प्रकाश ज्ञान का। परमात्मा से हमें संपूर्ण ज्ञान मिले, इसलिए दीप प्रज्वलन की परंपरा है। भारतीय संस्कृति में प्रत्येक कार्य की शुरुआत ईश वंदना से होती है, अर्थात जिस कार्य को हम करने जा रहे हैं उसमें देवगण हमारी सहायता करें। शुभम करोति कल्याणम, आरोग्यम धन संपदा, शत्रु बुद्धि विनाशाय, दीपकाय नमोस्तुते।
Ladies and gentlemen, the past year has been a year of mixed emotions for all of us. On this solemn occasion, we would like to take a moment and pay our reverence to our ex-president of Vishwa Bharati Women's Welfare Institution, Shri D.V. Batra, who left for his heavenly abode on 23rd October 2020. Shri D.V. Batra was a great visionary and educationist, and we shall all remain eternally grateful and indebted to him for his selfless service and undying wisdom. Moving ahead, it is said, before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others. May I now invite a source of inspiration, someone who is always willing to walk that extra mile alongside us, the one who fosters and nurtures our principal, Mrs. Veera Pandey, to accord a formal welcome.
Thank you, Rupinder. A very good morning to all who have joined us today on the very auspicious occasion of the annual day celebrations of Vishwa Bharati Public School, Noida. I consider it a good honor in extending a warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest for the occasion, Dr. Mahesh Sharma, Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha, former Minister of State, Tourism and Culture, Minister of State for Civil Aviation, Environment and Forest, Government of India, who has always been a pillar of strength and support for Vishwa Bharati family. I would also like to cordially welcome our General Secretary, Dr. V.K. Ganju, all members of our school management, principal of our sister branches, other distinguished guests, and parents who have taken out their precious time to join us this morning. Your presence is surely a great morale booster and a source of great inspiration for our young minds who have been working hard to put for today's show, especially for you all. On this momentous occasion, our senior management members have sent their blessings for us. I would like to share their message with all of you. Let me take this opportunity to first read out the message sent by President of Vishwa Bharati Women's Welfare Institution, Shri J.L. Kaul from Jammu. On behalf of the school management, it gives me immense pleasure to extend my best wishes to each one of you on the occasion of the annual day celebrations of Vishwa Bharati Public School, Noida. We believe that education is not only essential to an individual, but a fundamental requirement of a developing nation. Our hallmark has been excellence in whatever we do. With the onset of digital age, demands of educational system also has changed manifold. We at Vishwa Bharati family firmly believe in empowering our students with good values like empathy, integrity, humility, and compassion to bring about a holistic learning experience and to make them better citizens. It goes without saying that each member of the school has contributed immensely by adapting so well to this period of new normal, switching over from classroom teaching to remote learning and embracing technology effortlessly in order to impart quality education to our students. I would like to express my gratitude to each and every member of this institution for their invaluable contribution in taking this temple of knowledge towards great heights. I would also like to thank our distinguished guests and parents of our students whose undaunted cooperation, especially in these unprecedented times, is extremely praiseworthy. Thank you for rising to the occasion and exhibiting great perseverance and resilience in these challenging times. Finally, I would like to extend my heartiest felicitations to the principal, staff, and students and wish them success in all their future endeavors. We pray to the Almighty to make us reach greater heights. Thank you. It is also my proud privilege to read out the message shared by our General Secretary, Dr. V.K. Ganju, who has been a pillar of strength for all of us. Vishwa Bharati Public School prepares each and every student to understand, contribute, and succeed in a rapidly changing society, thus making the world a better place. This is the time to chart a vision for how education can emerge stronger from this global crisis than ever before, and how our children develop a broad range of global competencies and skills. The ongoing times has resulted in much greater appreciation for the school to smoothly shift from innovative means of education and embrace remote learning smoothly. I take great pride in sharing that Vishwa Bharati has risen to the need of the hour and made successful arrays in the midst of varied circumstances. We ensure that our students develop both the skills that a sound education provides and the competencies essential for success and leadership in the emerging creative economy. On the happy occasion of Annual Day celebration of the school, I extend my felicitations to the principal, staff, and students and applaud their efforts in taking the school towards the pinnacle of success. I'm very sure we will continue on this beautiful journey with even greater enthusiasm and zeal. The march is on. Thank you. Last but not the least, let me share with you the message by our treasurer, Professor Dr. Ram Shivpuri. Annual Day is the most awaited grand event of every school. This is particularly true of Vishwa Bharati School, which has wonderfully managed the fast-paced development since March last year. Just as response modification factor is a significant parameter in the analysis of seismic design of a structure, institutions that adapt fast to change and show fast response are the ones that reach the top. I would like to share that Vishwa Bharati Noida has obtained the 37th rank in the whole country on academic parameters by Education Post. My congratulations to the principal and her team of dedicated teachers. Finally, I would remark that national education policy recently announced by the Government of India is to transform India into a knowledge superpower. This includes to ensure that students thrive in the education system, teachers to be heart of the learning process, innovation, and out-of-box ideas to be encouraged. For this, we will have to work hard with totally focused mind and commitment. Enjoy the Annual Day festivities. Thank you. Over to Rupinder for the further next proceedings.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor to have Dr. Mahesh Sharma, Member of Parliament, Gautam Budh Nagar, as our esteemed chief guest on the occasion of our annual day celebrations. An ardent political and social worker and a doctor by profession, Dr. Mahesh Sharma remains actively involved in many political and philanthropic pursuits. He has an illustrious experience behind him as former Minister of State, Tourism and Culture, Member of State for Civil Aviation, Environment and Forest. Being a member of many national and social organizations, Dr. Mahesh Sharma has been contributing selflessly towards the causes of social service. He is the Chairman and Managing Director of Kailash Group of Hospitals. Leading by example, he is the first parliamentarian and the first front-right worker from the district to get vaccinated for coronavirus. His zeal and initiative to get inoculated has been a great source of inspiration for many to follow. For us at Vishwabharati, he has been a silent strength in all our endeavors. On this auspicious occasion, he has sent his blessings for all of us through a video message.
विश्वभारती स्कूल नोएडा के इस एनुअल डे फंक्शन पर उपस्थित सभी छात्रगण, सभी आचार्यगण, सभी अभिभावकगण, मैं आज के इस मौके पर आप सभी को शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और मेरा एक भावनात्मक जुड़ाव विश्वभारती स्कूल से रहा बहुत लंबे समय से। वक्त के अनुसार आज हम वर्चुअल मीडिया के माध्यम से हम संपर्क कर रहे हैं। वक्त ने हमें ये सिखाया है कि वक्त के अनुसार हमें बदलना चाहिए और जिसे हम कह रहे हैं कि एम्ब्रेसिंग द न्यू नॉर्मल। वक्त के अनुसार जब जब कोई व्यक्ति नहीं बदला, जब जब दिशाओं के खिलाफ हमने काम किया, प्रकृति के खिलाफ हमने काम किया, हवाओं के खिलाफ लड़ने की जरूरत की, प्रकृति ने अपना बदला लिया है। और उसी प्रकृति के बदले के तहत आज लगभग पिछले 10 महीने से इस कोरोना काल में हम सब लोगों ने रिश्तों का एक नया रूप देखा, कार्य करने की एक नई शैली अपनाई और मैं समझता हूं स्कूल के बच्चों ने, स्कूलों ने, स्कूल के अभिभावकों ने तो शायद कल्पना भी नहीं की होगी कि ऐसा भी एक समय आएगा। वक्त बदला है। अब उस कोरोना काल से हम लगभग मुक्त होते जा रहे हैं। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने सही समय पर सही फैसला लेकर देश को एक बहुत बड़ी त्रासदी से बचाया है। सबने कोऑपरेट किया। अब इन्फेक्शन का रेट बहुत कम हो गया है। पहले हम लगभग 400-500 टेस्ट करते थे, उसमें 200-300 लोग टेस्ट पॉजिटिव आते। अब ये टेस्ट आने की, पॉजिटिव आने की दर मात्र 200 में से 2 या 3 या 4-5 रह गई है। लेकिन प्रिकॉशन अभी भी जरूरी है। वैक्सीन लग जाए, उसके बाद भी मास्क लगाना अच्छा है। मास्क से हम बहुत सारी और बीमारियों से भी बचते हैं। वायरल इन्फेक्शन खाली कोरोना ही नहीं होता, और भी वायरल इन्फेक्शन होते हैं। ट्यूबरकुलोसिस होता है, प्रदूषण होता है। मास्क को लगाए रखिएगा। हाथ मिलाने से बचेंगे। अब दूसरे हिंदुस्तानी संस्कृति, और मैं कहूँगा हिंदुस्तानी नहीं, विश्वभारती का कल्चर है। नमस्ते। हम अपनी उस पुरानी संस्कृति में जाएंगे। विश्वभारती स्कूल एक सिर्फ स्कूल नहीं है, एक अपने आप में भारत की संस्कृति की एक पुंज को धारा को लिए हुए एक संस्थान है जो सिर्फ डिग्री और सर्टिफिकेट नहीं बांटता है, बल्कि संस्कारों की विरासत को साथ लेकर हमारे यहाँ से पास होने वाले बच्चे यहाँ से जाएंगे। आप सभी को आज के दिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
That was indeed an extremely inspirational message from Dr. Mahesh Sharma. I think we all need to salute our leadership and COVID warriors who are relentlessly fighting to combat this pandemic. Moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, the Vishwabharati schools and colleges in J&K and NCR are run by Vishwabharati Women's Welfare Institution. It's a matter of great pride for us that Vishwabharati Noida has traversed a long way and blossomed into one of the premium institutions of India. For us, our school is not just the million bricks, but thousands of young hearts who carry more dreams than the night sky has stars. Please join us as we reflect upon our memorable journey over the years and also feel our emotions overflowing in the present times. We proudly present मैं विश्व भारती हूँ.
मृत्युः सर्वहरस्याहम् उद्भवश्च भविष्यताम् कीर्तिश्रेवश्च नारीणाम् स्मृतिर्मेधा धृतिक्षमा.
कहा जाता है कि पूरे विश्व में कहीं स्वर्ग है तो कश्मीर में ही है. मेरा जीवन भी यहीं से शुरू होता है. कश्मीर की इन सुंदर वादियों में चिनारों की शीतलता व पुलकन भरी घाटियों के बीच मैं विश्व भारती अपनी मंजिल तय करने के लिए आगे बढ़ चुका हूँ. सन 1951 में कश्मीर में महिला शिक्षा के प्रचार के लिए मेरी नींव विश्व भारती महिला कल्याण संस्था के नाम से रखी गई. मेरे संस्थापकों ने इसे और सुदृढ़ बनाने का संकल्प लिया तथा जम्मू और कश्मीर राज्य में शिक्षा के प्रचार में ऐतिहासिक भूमिका निभाई. मेरी मेहनत, लगन, दृढ़ विश्वास और मिलनसारिता ने मेरी श्रृंखला को आगे बढ़ाया और मैं आज जम्मू कश्मीर के अलावा पूरे देश में अपनी छटा को प्रतिबिंबित करने में प्रयासरत हूँ. भारतीय संस्कृति का पोषण करते हुए पारंपरिक और आधुनिकता दोनों के सामंजस्यपूर्ण मिश्रण के माध्यम से मैं निरंतर आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ. हर सुबह जिस आंगन में हजारों ख्वाब खिलते हैं, चाहत की हर उड़ान को जहाँ पर पंख मिलते हैं, है वही आंगन मेरा जहाँ हम रोज संवरते हैं. मैं विश्व भारती और यह मेरा स्वागत कक्ष जहाँ विद्या और कला की देवी सरस्वती के आगे हम सभी नतमस्तक होते हैं. मेरे खाली मैदान जो तुम्हारे मैदान हैं, बेसब्री से तुम सब के लौटने की राह देख रही हैं. मुझे मेरे सबसे नन्हे दोस्त बहुत याद आते हैं. उनका नन्हे नन्हे बस्ते उठाए सब याद आती है. मार्च से जनवरी आ गया है. मैं रोज तुम्हें याद करता हूँ. तुम्हारी कक्षाओं के सामने से गुजरते हुए मुझे तुम सबका पढ़ाई में मगन होना, तुम्हारा मुस्कुराना, खिलखिलाना और बातूनी सा शोर महसूस होता है. मैं वो पल याद करता हूँ जब तुम्हारी आवाजों के बीच स्कूल की घंटी की आवाज भी खो जाती थी. तुम स्कूल लौटोगे तो मेरे नृत्य कक्ष में भी रौनक आ जाएगी. मैं राह देख रहा हूँ. हमारी होनहार आत्मविश्वासी छात्राओं का जो पूरे हाव भाव के साथ अभ्यास करती हुई नजर आएंगी. मेरे नृत्य कक्ष के ये खाली दर्पण भी तुम्हारी राह देख रहे हैं और इंतजार कर रही है तुम्हारे खेल प्रशिक्षक. खाली ये मैदान ही नहीं हुए, बल्कि खाली खड़ी है स्कूल की बसें, फुटबॉल मैदान और टेनिस कोर्ट, कैंटीन. ये सभी तुम्हारा बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं. जैसे ही तुम मेन गेट पर पहुंचोगे, मुझे अपने सामने खड़ा पाओगे.
Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you are taking good care of yourself and following all the safety norms. I'm waiting for each one of you to be back in school. The school is missing lively, young, vibrant children. So, hope to see you soon. And I'm really, really missing you a lot. Thank you.
स्कूल लौटोगे तभी तो विश्व भारती में रंग आएंगे.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it goes without saying that we deeply miss our children's presence in the school. We look forward to see you soon back in school with your lovely smiles. It is said, you cannot change the direction of the wind, but you can adjust your sails to reach your destination. We at Vishwa Bharati truly believe that recognition is the greatest motivator. Year after year, hundreds of our children perform exceptionally well in scholastic and co-scholastic areas. We are also blessed to have generous patrons who believe in motivating and supporting such students in their pursuit for excellence in the form of various scholarships and awards. Today, we shall be recognizing many such exceptional achievers for their sweat and toil. We first begin with the most coveted award, the S.N. Ganju Award for Overall Excellence. This award was instituted in the year 2003 in memory of our erstwhile Journal Secretary, Shri S.N. Ganju, who was a visionary and academician par excellence. It is his dream that stands realized today in the form of the repute that a school has gathered for itself. We shall always remain indebted to Ganju Sir's impeccable leadership and undying wisdom. This award is given annually to a student who has excelled in various academic and co-curricular activities consistently over the years. This year, the S.N. Ganju Award has been conferred upon Snigdha Basu. Snigdha distinguished herself in scholastic and post-scholastic areas consistently for many years in a row. She scored a staggering 99.4% in the All India Class 12th Board Exam in the session 2019-20 with a perfect score in chemistry, biology, and biotechnology. She later secured 700 out of 720 in National Eligibility cum Entrance Exam with 99.99 percentile. All India ranked 102 and ranked 1 in Uttar Pradesh. Currently, she is pursuing MBBS from Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College associated with Safdarjung Hospital, New Delhi. The Vishwa Bharati fraternity wishes her success in her future endeavors. Many congratulations to Snigdha. We now move on to our next award, S.K. Shah Award for Academic Excellence. This award has been instituted in the year 2005 in memory of Professor S.K. Shah, who was an academician par excellence and a source of great inspiration for the young minds. The S.K. Shah Award for Academic Excellence is awarded to a student with the highest score in class 10th, continuing with his or her studies in Vishwa Bharati. This year, the S.K. Shah Award for Academic Excellence has been awarded to Mrigank Pavagi. Mrigank scored an astounding 99.5% in class 10th CBSE board exam 2020 and set a new record for securing the first position in the entire district. He was amongst the chosen few, ladies and gentlemen, this year to get invited to witness the Republic Day parade from the Prime Minister's box. Indeed, a matter of great pride, not only for Mrigank, but also for his alma mater. His distinguished accomplishments include winning the prestigious Google contest for developing an Android app on internet safety and being declared the national topper junior scientist awardee in Camp NASTA Science and Aptitude Test. Presently, Mrigank is studying in class 11th. The management and staff of Vishwa Bharati Noida wish Mrigank Pavagi success in his future endeavors. I now hand over to Tina for further proceedings.
Let us take this proud moment forward. It is a matter of great honor and pleasure to appreciate and reward the hard work as well as the performance of the students in the academic arena and the sports category. We begin with the all-round best students department-wise. First and foremost, from the primary department, Varshit Agarwal from 5th D, who has secured a spectacular 96.8%. From the middle department, Kanisha Mirg from 8th D secured an outstanding 98.4%. And now from the senior wing, we have Ansh Goyal from class 10th, who has secured a phenomenal 96.2%. Now I'll be announcing the toppers from each class. Harshit Manocha from 4th A has secured an incredible 99.3%. Pranit Unikrishnan from standard 5th F has secured a remarkable 97.1%. Pratyush Kumar Das from standard 6th F secured a fantastic 98.5%.
And Aditya Shekhar of class 6th F has secured an outstanding 98.5%.
Krish Fanda from standard 7th E secured a stupendous 98.4%. Kanisha Mirg from standard 8th D secured a fantastic 98.4%. Hiral Khare from standard 9th A secured an incredible 99.1%. Now from standard 11th, out of their sheer determination and dedication, our students Gargi Goyal from the science stream has secured a staggering 97%. Jigisha Agarwal from the commerce stream secured a phenomenal 94.4%. And Sanya Dikshit from the humanities stream secured an incredible 98.6%. We at Vishwabharati not only value the academics, but also understand the importance of sports, which is necessary for a healthy lifestyle. Therefore, we start by giving due recognition, aptitude and acumen of our students, the future sports person of our country. So now I'll be announcing the best sports person for the session 2019-20. Aradhya Gupta from standard 2A under the event skating represented the school at the national level. Arna Gupta from standard 8th F under the event skating has represented the school at the national level. Manu Parikshit from standard 9th E under the event athletics has represented the school at the national level. Riyansh Ramanathan from 10th C under the event athletics and football has also represented the school at the national level. Pihu Tyagi from 9th B under the event rifle shooting has represented the school at the national level. Harsh Saini from 11th C under the event athletics has represented the school at the state level. Myra Taksali from standard 8th E has represented the school in the athletics and has represented the school to the state level. Shambhavi Vidya from 10th B under the event athletics has represented school at the state level. Devashri Patel from standard 8th F has and the athletics event has represented the school at the district level, and Vanshika Singh from standard 10th B under the event athletics has represented the school at the district level. Now coming to the much awaited, the best sports person from each house for the session 2019-20. Narendra Mishra from standard 11th B has been adjudged the best sports person from Satyam House. Arnav Kantwal from standard 11th E has been adjudged the best sports person from Shivam House. Durgesh Bhatt from standard 11th F has been adjudged as the best sports person from Sundaram House. And Joshini Jo from standard 11th A has been adjudged as the best sports person from Vishwa House. Heartiest congratulations to all the achievers. As the famous saying goes by George Herbert, do not wait, the time will never be just right. Start where you stand and work with whatever tools you may have at your command, and better tools will be found as you go along. Now I hand over to Ms. Rupinder for some more awards.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor now to talk about two of our most prestigious scholarships that we offer to our children. The first one is Sona Bishambar Khushu Scholarship, which was instituted by a senior management member, Mrs. Krishna Labhu, in memory of her parents. This award is being given to a girl student of class 10, having a consistent record of all-round excellence in past 3 classes and continuing her education in Vishwa Bharati, Noida in classes 11th and 12th. This year, this award is being given to Divyanshi Arya, who is presently studying in class 11th C. Moving on to the next category, B.N. Rupadhar Scholarship. This scholarship has been instituted by our veteran, Ms. Neeta Kushu, in memory of her parents. The award recognizes a deserving Kashmiri student who is meritorious and hardworking in his or her pursuit. This year, the award goes to Arjun Jutti, who is presently studying in class 4. Congratulations to all the achievers and moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen. In spite of the extraordinary times, it has been a truly unique and memorable session for Team Vishwa Bharati. We scored through with the same enthusiasm and set new benchmarks in all areas. The accolades that we received bear testimony to this point. Please get ready to welcome a little angel from the pre-primary wing for all set to install with their innocent, infectious smiles and breathtaking confidence. Let's dust off those old volumes of fairy tales and jump right into the world of enchantment. Our youngest brigade is all ready to melt your thoughts with their report presentation, followed by enactment on the famous fairy tale, Snow White and 7 Dwarfs. Over to our tiny tots.
Good morning all. Today, I and my SKG friends are going to give you a glimpse of the activities conducted in this session. We all enjoyed participating and learning many new concepts with a great enthusiasm. Tiny Tots of Blossoms made many hand puppets to learn and imbibe various concepts. We all actively participated in all activities virtually, some of which are fancy dress, shloka chanting, show and tell, rhyme recitation and story narration. Festival celebration can instill the right values in us. It helps us to learn about our culture and traditions, and thus we feel more connected to our roots. In order to be more aware of our national and religious festivals, we actively participated in different activities during the year. We made flutes and decorated mudkas to celebrate Janmashtami. We made beautiful Rakis on Raksha Bandhan. Our creative minds were put to use by making flowers and kites on Independence Day. We enjoyed the festivity of Dussehra, Diwali and Christmas with so much fun with friends and teachers virtually. Our friends made us proud by participating and winning in various inter-school competitions. First position in Literature hosted by Cambridge School. Second position in Utsav hosted by Amity School. Second position in Khoj hosted by Indrapuram Public School. And third position in Tarana hosted by VVPS Dwarka. Big thank you to all our mentors for providing us with such opportunities which help us to build our confidence and boosted our morale. We appreciate all the guidance and support provided to us in these tough times. Thank you. That is all from our pre-primary desk. Now over to ma'am for further proceedings.
The fairy tale begins with our beautiful and graceful Snow White living with her 7 friendly dwarfs in the forest.
Snow, Snow White. Snow, Snow, Snow White. Snow, Snow, she is Snow White. Snow, Snow, Snow White. I am Snow White. We're the 7 dwarfs. We live together in this forest.
Magic mirror in my hand. Who's the fairest? Who's the fairest in the land?
Snow White is the fairest.
Snow White is still alive.
I am Snow White. We're the 7 dwarfs. We live together in a cozy house.
Won't you have a bite of this red apple? With only one bite you can be truly happy.
Yes, it really looks tasty. Oh. Snow White, the princess fell asleep. Poisoned apple made her fall asleep. The prince came and gave a kiss, then she woke up. They lived happily ever after.
Snow White, you are so beautiful.
Oh, my
And their joyous and wondrous life together begins.
Just put your hand in mine. Go where dreams begin. Everyone has their own star in the sky. There's one for you and me. Yes, it's a magical light that shines high up above, far as the eye can see. Shows us the way, leading us safe through the night into a lovely fantasy. Its heavenly glow will help our love always grow. So take my hand and let go, and you'll see. Just put your hand in mine, and then we'll go where dreams begin. I'll teach you how to fly, and then we'll go where dreams begin. It's a wonderful ride as we scale the heights. There's no better view or place you've ever been. Signs are clear, we're here where dreams begin.
Thus we see that goodness is always rewarded and wickedness is always punished. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure all would agree when I say that it was a spectacular performance by our tiny tots. Moving ahead, it is said, if you think positively, sound becomes music, movement becomes dance, smile becomes laughter, mind becomes meditation, and life becomes a celebration. It's now time to showcase the unmatched achievements and unlimited potential of a young stalwarts from the primary wing. Coming up now is the primary report, followed by a foot-tapping English number. It's a beautiful day. Indeed, it is a beautiful day.
Warm welcome to everyone watching us today. It's a pleasure to start this momentous occasion. Today, we all are here for our annual day celebration, which is most awaited by all of us. Annual Department Annual Report determines the dynamic nature of our school. It showcases the commitment of our administration and teachers to bring out the best in every student. The year 2020 was indeed a roller coaster ride for all of us. Still, the Junior Vishwa Bharatians were engaged in productive work, keeping in mind that learning never stops. Students participated in various inter-school competitions with full enthusiasm and brought laurels to our school. Kavya Garg with Harshit Manoja bagged first position at Mayur School. Junior singer Prisha Dhar was rewarded third position in an all-India level singing competition. Tech enthusiast Adya Sukoli got the third position at VVPS Dwarka. Arpit Roy, Ananya Anand and Devraj Singh bagged winning positions at VVPS Greater Noida. Akansh Goyal and Riddhi Ganju bagged first position in Alcon Public School. Vansh Pandey got third position at VVPS Greater Noida. Little chef Navya Sharma won a facile victory at VVPS Ghaziabad. Junior puppeteer H. Pratna and little artist Vihan Jindal came out at winners at Cambridge School, Noida. And maker Twisha Dwivedi won first position. Shubhra Mishra got third prize at Amity Global School. Kavya Garg bagged second position at VVPS Ghaziabad. Story narrator Navya Sharma bagged second position and mask maker Dhairya Singh bagged the consolation prize in Indirapuram Public School Crossing. Resplendence 2020, Kavya Garg as a junior artist got first position. Ishika Trisal got third position in Kavya Ras Pratyogita. RJ Anika won second position. Kavya Garg got second position in solo folk dance. Kavya Garg with Riddhi Ganju got third position in innovators posterity. Congratulations to the young achievers. Various inter-house competitions were held. Marathon sensitized the students to conserve the environment. In show and tell, the students presented their delicious family recipes. Social science PowerPoint presentation came up with brilliant ideas. A variety of quizzes were held to make our brains sharp. Tiger Day quiz emphasized upon wildlife conservation. Science, mental maths, and UN Day quiz were really beneficial for all the students. On Earth Day, Harmonica 2020 and Chalk the Walk, the students delivered stunning performances. In Swaranjali, Vibgor, and Bookmark Art Contest, students performed wonderfully. Parents' Day activities filled the parents with pride. Poster making and play modeling activities were really enjoyed by all the students. In Diya decoration, students decorated beautiful diyas. National Maths Day was celebrated on December 22nd to commemorate the birth anniversary of mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan. Book Week was organized, in which parents and teachers joined together and entertained the children through storytelling and puppet show. The children were dressed up as their favorite Disney character in a fashion show. The budding chefs made mouth-watering salads, and artistic minds made various patterns using cutouts of different geometrical shapes. In leaf craft activity, the students made different types of animals and birds using dry leaves. We celebrated all special occasions. Mother's Day, Janmashtami, Diwali, Dashera, and Christmas celebrations taught us the real meaning of unity in diversity. On World Elephant Day, students presented a beautiful video. Teachers celebrated Children's Day and made us feel really special. To conclude, I would like to say that I am hopeful that the present crisis will end soon and we all will be back in school to participate and celebrate our achievements. All Vishubhartians will never forget 2020, not for the COVID-19 crisis, but for the bright, happy, and fun-filled memories. Thank you all for joining us.
See the sun shine in the window. Time to start
और शानदार प्रस्तुति। समाज और देश के विकास के लिए जरूरी है कि वहां के नागरिक जिज्ञासु हों और उनमें नवोन्मेष की वृत्ति मौजूद हो। जिज्ञासा और नवोन्मेष एक दूसरे के पूरक हैं। इन दोनों में नए विचार, सृजन छिपा है। इनके प्रोत्साहन से नई विचारधारा, नई खोज जन्म लेती है। जिंदगी में कुछ पाना हो तो खुद पर एतबार करना, सोच पक्की और कदमों में रफ्तार रखना। कामयाबी मिल जाएगी निश्चित ही तुम्हें, बस खुद को आगे बढ़ने के लिए तैयार रखना। जी हाँ, एक सकारात्मक दृष्टिकोण जीवन में सफलता के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है। तो अब आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत है मिडिल डिपार्टमेंट की रिपोर्ट, और उसके बाद ये होनहार और जागरूक छात्र व छात्राएं आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत करेंगे एक दृष्टिकोण, अ पर्सपेक्टिव।
Tough time never lasts, but tough people do. Undeterred by the COVID-19 pandemic, the young talents of Middle Department enthusiastically participated in various events and won coveted position in different categories. So now, we are presenting the inter-school and inter-house achievements of Middle Wing. The students of BBPS Noida participated in virtual inter-school competitions and earned laurels and accolades for the school. Sri S.N. Ganju Memorial Inter-School English Essay Writing Competition was organized, in which Rishika Walia made the school proud by winning first position. Regard before you discard. The VBPS Ghaziabad organized Spectrum 2020, in which Sayuri Khare of class 7th secured second position in the event Best Out of Waste. Pratyush Das of class 7th got second position in the event Mukhota, organized by Cambridge School Indirapuram. Divyansha Sharma of class 8th got third position under the event Poetry Art, organized by Cambridge School Indirapuram.
Hand painting competition under the event Supernova 2020 was organized. The paintings were much spectacular. In dance competition, Aghaz, there was a neck-and-neck competition. Albert Einstein said that the genius is when an idea and the execution of that idea are simultaneous. In the event Young Innovators, Einstein bagged second position. Shrishti Pradeep and I, Akshat Jindal, won second position in Tag by Tag website designing contest.
In a movie-making event organized by APJ School Noida, Srishti Pradeep, Rishika Walia, and Sunena Warrior of Class 8 bagged third prize. Cambridge School organized an inter-school competition in which Ahana of Class 6th and Devprita Panda of Class 7th secured first position and made the school proud.
In Resplendence 2020, a plethora of events were organized. In category Harmony with Bottle, Anika Mittal secured first position. In poster designing event, Hardik Singh Gahlot bagged second position, and in Kavita Gyan, Shrinjay Nayak got third position. Without maths, nothing you can do. Under Rapid Over, Pratyush Das bagged first position. Abhinav Jindal and Medhavi Dhiman made a sway presentation, and their way of presenting resulted them to secure first position in Future's Way.
In the event Creative Monologue, Anushri Balooni of Class 8 got third prize by showcasing her talent. Stuck at home but not at heart, the young dancer Shiksha Sinha of Class 7 bagged first prize under the event Aragya. Music is the universal language of mankind. Arohi Gupta of Class 8 got third position in the category Instrumental Patriotic Dhun. Akshat Jindal and Kuhu Gupta of Class 8 impressed the judges by showcasing their creativity and talent and got second position in the category Web Viewers.
Apart from all this, Nishita Sharma made our school mighty proud by ranking 11th to 500th in the ISRO model making competition at all India level.
It was a proud moment for Vishwabharati when a team of 5 girls from middle section, Kuhu, Niharika, Siddhi, Sanvi and Tanisha, under the mentorship of Mrs. Vandana Dang, developed an app, Sahai Reviving Breath, and made their place in semi-final round in Technovation 2020. The annual inter-school event, Dhanvati Shambhunath Sanskrit competition, was held on 22nd December, in which many reputed schools of Delhi and NCR participated. Our student Gayatri won first position in Shlok chanting and Rishika Walia bagged third position in Sanskrit enactment. Various inter-house activities were organized for the middle section, and the students left no stone unturned to showcase their creativity and talent. Class 6 students participated in solo singing competition. The result is as follows.
Dance is a joy of movement in the heart of life. Solo dancing competition was organized for class 7 students.
Students of class 8 participated in patriotic speech enactment. In addition to this, numerous inter- and intra-class activities were also held to spike the creativity of Vishwabhartians. Start wide, expand further, and never look back. This pandemic could not dampen the spirit of Vishwabhartians and has definitely taught us how to evolve, grow, and learn to emerge even stronger in times of crisis. Thank you.
James Deacon once said, "What you see not only depends on what you look at, but also where you look from." Friends, I just realized that the whole world has spent almost a year battling with the COVID-19 virus. This pandemic has brought the world down to its knees. It has changed everything, especially the perspective of looking at life.
दृष्टिकोण पर हमारे कर्म निर्भर करते हैं और कर्मों पर जीवन की सफलता या असफलता निर्भर करती है। इसलिए इस शक्ति का सदुपयोग आवश्यक है, क्योंकि मन के हारे हार है और मन के जीते जीत। अच्छे दृष्टिकोण से मनुष्य विषमतम परिस्थिति में भी सुख और ज्ञान की द्युति से सुशोभित हो सकता है। सकारात्मक दृष्टिकोण से प्रभावित होकर हमारी मित्र ने इस सुअवसर का लाभ उठाकर अपनी नृत्य कला का आनंद लिया और सरस्वती माता को प्रसन्न किया।
हमारे विद्यार्थी जीवन में शिक्षा का एक नया माध्यम आया, ऑनलाइन माध्यम, जो कि हमारे सकारात्मक दृष्टिकोण का परिणाम था। इस सुअवसर का लाभ उठाते हुए मेरे मित्रों का क्या दृष्टिकोण रहा होगा, आइए उनके घर चलकर देखते हैं।
Taking care of my family in lockdown. Hello, Papa. Have you taken your vitamin medicine?
No, Kashvi, I was doing my office work, so I forgot.
Papa, but with your work, even taking your medicine is also important. Let me give it to you.
Sure.
Here's your medicine with a glass of water.
Thank you, Kashvi.
You're welcome. Do you all know that I have spent a lot of valuable time with my family in this lockdown? I've also realized how important it is to take care of my family.
देखा, हमारी मित्र काशवी अपने परिवार की देखभाल करके कितनी प्रसन्न है.
My hobby is to paint the canvas with the colors of my imagination and creativity. Painting sceneries and portraits is something that I find pleasure doing in. Look, I made this portrait of Sri Krishna. We can say that I am having the best of the both worlds. That is, I completed my studies, but along with it, I enjoyed my hobby as well.
यह फूलों की भीनी भीनी सुगंध कहाँ से आ रही है?
मुझे तो इन पौधों से बहुत प्यार है. देखो ये कैसे हर रोज मुझसे बातें करते हैं. अब मेरे पास बहुत सारा समय है इनसे बातें करने का और इनकी देखभाल करने का.
Akrima is taking good care of her plants at home. And Arushi's paintings, they were mind-blowing. I can hear someone singing. Come on, let's see who that is.
यक चतुर नार करके सिंगार, यक चतुर नार करके सिंगार, मेरे मन के द्वार ये घुसत जात, हम मरत जात हर चतुर नार करके सिंगार.
My passion is to do the traditional martial art of Kerala, Kalaripayat. During this pandemic time, I got even more time to practice it. What a wonderful performance by Vansh. Sunaina also has an amazing Kalhari skills.
वाह, कितनी ही मनमोहक प्रस्तुति थी भाई, मजा आ गया. मेरी इस मित्र ने तो अपने समय का पूरा लाभ उठाया है. अपने खाली समय में मित्रों ने अपने परिवार के साथ मनोरंजन भी करा और रसोई घर में माँ की सहायता भी.
For me, this lockdown was something which gave me the opportunity to do something that I always wanted to do but was not getting enough time. So, I utilized this extra time to hone my cooking skills. See, I'm making pasta chaat. Trust me, I have never cooked earlier and I had no experience in cooking.
जैसा कि हम सब लोग जानते हैं, इस कोरोना की वजह से सब लोग परेशान हैं, लेकिन मैं परेशान नहीं हूँ क्योंकि इस कोरोना में भी मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को हंसा पा रहा हूँ. मेरे मम्मी और पापा तो बहुत परेशान हैं. मैं आपको अपनी फैमिली का एक सीक्रेट बताता हूँ. मेरी मम्मी को तो रात को में भी ब्यूटी पार्लर के सपने आते हैं। बोलती हैं आईब्रोज ढंग से बनाना, मस्कारा ढंग से लगाना। और मेरे पापा तो उनसे भी ज्यादा परेशान है। सर पे 4 बाल हैं, वो भी लॉकडाउन की वजह से इतने बढ़ गए हैं। हद तो तब हो गई जब बगल वाली आंटी ने भी मम्मी से पूछ लिया क्या ये बाबा कोई कोरोना का भी इलाज बताते हैं।
रुद्रांश की मम्मी ने उसे हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ने के लिए कहा। आइए सुनते हैं उसकी हनुमान चालीसा।
मुझे कविता लिखना बहुत प्रिय है। समय मिलते ही मैंने कागज कलम उठाया और अपने अंतर्मन की भावनाओं को अंकित कर दिया। तो सुनिए मेरी कविता जो आपको भी प्रोत्साहित करेगी। सोचा न था कि ये हो जाएगा, जिंदगी में ऐसा रोकथाम देखने को मिल जाएगा। बीमारी का रोड़ा हमें खा जाएगा, लॉकडाउन लगा तो कष्ट हो जाएगा, लेकिन यह ख्याली पुलाव कब तक काम आएगा। मन शांत कर बैठी तो लगा सब हो जाएगा। परिवार के साथ समय बिताने का अवसर मिल जाएगा। यातायात कम होने के कारण पर्यावरण सुधर जाएगा। ऑनलाइन माध्यम द्वारा ज्ञान प्राप्ति में रुकावट नहीं आ पाएगा। न्यूज चैनल देखते देखते साल गुजर गया। वाह भगवान, अब तो कोरोना चला ही जाएगा।
So Rishika, did you see how a positive perspective caused a chain reaction of positive thoughts, positive actions, events and outcomes? Say, in the case of this pandemic, the perpetual optimism is a force multiplier. It has not only kept us cheerful, but healthier too.
Certainly, Saiduri, we must understand that people with a positive outlook in life view things with a different vision, and this encourages them to keep moving ahead in life with a considerable confidence.
जैसे सोना तप तप कर कुंदन बन जाता है, हीरा कट कट कर और चमकने लगता है, उसी प्रकार मनुष्य मुसीबतों में भी बिना थके परिश्रम करे तो और तेजस्वी बन जाता है। इस खाली समय का सदुपयोग कर हमने जो नई नई कलाएं सीखी है ना, उनसे हमारा व्यक्तित्व और निखर गया है। धन्यवाद।
प्रेरणादायक और हृदय को छू लेने वाली प्रस्तुति। नवाचार और नवोन्मेष ये सभी मनुष्य के सृजनशील मन के पर्याय हैं। मानव मन जिज्ञासा और सृजनशीलता से भरा होता है। बच्चों और युवाओं में इसका विस्तृत स्तर विद्यमान होता है, इसलिए देश और समाज को इनसे बड़ी उम्मीदें होती हैं। देश का नया कल संवारने को आतुर, अपनी सोच, अपने व्यक्तित्व को निखारने के लिए कृत संकल्प हमारी भावी पीढ़ी अब आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने आ रहे हैं अपनी उपलब्धियों की रिपोर्ट। कश्मीरी संस्कृति का एक महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा है यहाँ के पारंपरिक नृत्य। इसी की एक झलक दिखाएंगी हमारी ऊर्जावान प्रफुल्लित छात्राएं।
Very pleasant greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is BBPS News Desk. I'm Ansh Goyal and I have alongside me Vanshika Garg.
Vishwa Bharati has successfully coined itself as an institution people aspire to be a part of. We bring to you our stunning achievers who continue to make us proud and have brought immense recognition to our school.
Digging into the academics first, Snigdha Basu of Science Stream got an incredible 99.4% in the CBSE board exams 2019-20 and became the district topper. She cleared national standard examination in biology, being in top 1% of qualified students from the entire country, and qualified for Indian National Biology Olympiad. She also secured 700 out of 720 marks in National Entrance Cum Eligibility Test 2020, with percentile 99.99 and All India rank 102. thus becoming the state topper, and is currently pursuing MBBS from Vardhaman Mahabir Medical College and Safdarjung Hospital, New Delhi. Along with her, Vaibhav Mishra achieved a massive 98.8%, and Kishita bagged 98.2%, both from the science stream. From the commerce stream, Khushi Chauhan and Manya Basi attained a massive 97%, thus making the school mighty proud. Moving to the humanities stream, Abhivyakti Mishra got a wonderful 96%.
Class 10th then lagged behind it all, with Mrigang Pavagi achieving a serene 99.5% and also becoming the district topper. It is indeed an honor and a moment of great pride for our school that Mrigang Pavagi watched the Republic Day parade from the Prime Minister box this year. Every year, the ministry selects 50 meritorious students from all over the country to witness the Republic Day parade at Rajpath. He has also been awarded with a certificate of appreciation by the HRD ministry. The Vishwa Bharati fraternity proudly shares the sentiment and excitement behind the exalted feat. Along with him, Prachi Sharma, Bhumika Malik, Rishika Singh and Jyoti Shikha got a wonderful 98.4%. What a phenomenal performance on the board classes of the session 2019 to 2020.
Model United Nations in Vishwa Bharati Public School, Noida has been immensely successful in its very first year. A team of 5 students participated in the MUN 2020 organized by the Air Force School, New Delhi. Vanshika Garg of class 11th B got a special mention award in the same. Many more awards have been bagged by our students in the inaugural year. Arnab Suman of class 11th was selected for IBM mentoring with his unique artificial intelligence idea which would potentially benefit the people. His idea was of an advanced drone pollution monitoring system in which he will be making an autonomous drone which requires no human at control to monitor a given territory to find pollution sources. What a noble idea. He also participated in the 3rd Technovation Hackathon Smart City organized by Sharda University, Greater Noida, in which he competed with 159 teams and won the 10th position. Brilliant performance.
Then Track Club has done an absolutely stunning in the academic year 2020-21. Our school has been constantly working on various social projects from the past many years. The major undertakings of the Track Club include sapling plantation, mental health awareness, celebrating cracker-free Diwali, celebrating Diwali by those helping in need, and menstrual awareness campaign. Appreciation and gratitude to the students and the teachers for their undying efforts.
On the occasion of the 30th Foundation Day of the Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority, Sharda University in collaboration with GNIDA organized the 3rd Technovation Hackathon, Smart City, from 26 to 27 January at the national level, where Yuvraj Singh and Shreya Som of 12C bagged the 2nd position under the mentorship of Ms. Sophia Goyal, and were awarded a cash prize of Rs 20,000 from the CEO Noida. They developed an app named as BMAX, a health awareness application. Supreme work by the students. That's all from the news desk. Thank you so much.
Shubhi Shaban, Jani Poojailo.
शानदार प्रस्तुति। किसी ने सच ही कहा है, ऊपर उठने में वक्त तो लगता है, फिर चाहे सूरज ही क्यों ना हो, धीरे धीरे उगता है। जी हाँ, विपरीत परिस्थितियां सबकी जिंदगी में आती हैं, मगर व्यक्ति अपनी सकारात्मक सोच से अपने आत्मविश्वास को बनाए रख सकता है। ईश्वर ने प्रत्येक बच्चे को कोई ना कोई अद्भुत क्षमता प्रदान की है, फिर वह कला के क्षेत्र में हो या संगीत के क्षेत्र में हो या फिर खेलकूद का क्षेत्र हो। किसी सुंदर उपवन के मनोहर पुष्पों से जैसे एक गुलदस्ता तैयार किया जाता है, वैसे ही हमारे प्रतिभावान बच्चों ने आपके लिए एक गुलदस्ता तैयार किया है। तो लीजिए, प्रस्तुत है कला कृति।
वाले सुन, जीवन है मधुबन, हंसमुख है चंचल जीवन और पावन. This little guiding light of mine, I'm going to let it shine all the time. Let it shine. प्यारे वतन तुझको हम दिल में छुपा लेंगे, आबाद बहारों को लुटने से बचाएंगे. शरणाई आयो बिसर गयो मेरे मन का संसार, जब ते दर्शन पायो पायो. चढ़ के ने डोली तू पिंड विच आई, पिंड विच सारे ने मच के दुहाई, तेरे रूप ने तेरी चाल ने हर पासे रौला पा.
audience, we truly hope that the excitement of today's event enthralled you. We pray to God Almighty that the fellowship that we share create happy memories for times to come. It's your goodwill, constant appreciation, and support which is a driving force in all our endeavors. May I now call upon our middle head, Mrs. Anjali Rajdan, to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, Rupinder. A very pleasant afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's my proud privilege to propose vote of thanks on this August occasion on behalf of my school. First of all, I take this opportunity to express our profuse gratitude to the chief guest of the day, Dr. Mahesh Sharma, Honorable Member of Parliament, Gautam Budhnagar, who in spite of his extremely busy schedule, still found time to bless us all and share his valuable views. Sir, no program of our school can be wholesome without having your presence. I thank you for constantly encouraging us with your words of wisdom. We are deeply indebted to our pillars of strength, our esteemed members of management, for gracing today's event with their presence. Thank you so much for always recognizing and appreciating our efforts. Thanks to my dynamic principal, Ms. Veera Pandey, who has always been such a solid support. My special gratitude to all the principals and teachers of our sister concerns for their presence all through the program. The school is ever obliged to our beloved parents who firmly stood by us through this pandemic. We solicit your continued support and constant appreciation to march forward in our quest of knowledge. My heartfelt thanks to all my ever so enthusiastic team of teachers who could present the online version of this event with such a precision. Last but not the least, let me not forget to thank our wonderful children for their overwhelming participation and valuable contribution in making this event successful. I conclude with a hope to see you all in person in the next edition of this event next year. Once again, I thank one and all present here. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Now over to you, Rupinder, for further proceedings.
Thank you, ma'am. And as ma'am said, we really miss our children in our school, and thank you everyone for your presence with us this morning on this virtual platform. Ladies and gentlemen, Vishwa Bharati Public School, Noida stands strongly committed to holistic development of our students. Our mission is to develop thinking minds and respectable individuals. May I now request all of you to kindly join us for a school song.
हमारे साथ